of it!
Charlie Brown, he's a clown. That Charlie Brown, he's gonna get caught. Just you wait and see. Why is everybody always picking on me?
How much Charlie is too much Charlie? Get out of it! Get! Get! Get to buggery, you! Thank you, Rocco. Get out! You stupid dog! Get out! Get! Go on! Get out of it! Get! 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 Go away! Get away from the birds! Get out of it! Get! Well, listen to him. Go on, get! Get! Good. Push off. Good boy, Rocco. Want to distract that little shit. Rocco knows how to keep his ass in lock. Bloody dog. Piss off! I love this bloody dog. Get to buggery! Go on! Driving me mental. Oh, bloody Rocco. Charlie. He's been a complete spastic. He won't leave the bird cage alone. Well, Rocco comes up, him and Sam nearly beat the tar out of him because he won't listen. Does not care! He does not give a shit. This dog's a complete mental head, no joke. I can't get over this bloody dog. What are you doing? I'm standing right here, Charlie. And you're still messing with the bird cage. Do you ever stop? Leave Chevrolet. Hey! Get out of it. Charlie! Quit it. Knock it off. Look at that, Pip. He's coming back. Gonna give it back. Oi! Gonna give it back? You gonna give it back or do I have to throw this shoe at you? Good. Come on. Give it here. Charlie, get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Charlie. Charlie, get the ball. Come on, fetch the ball. Get the ball. Boom.